Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Pete the Cat, Robo Pete, written by James Dean. This book goes well with two of the activities in your STEM box. Activity number 8, design a scooter bot, and the final activity, rocket build, blasting off. What a great sunny morning. Pete can't wait to play baseball with his friends. Do you want to play catch? Pete asked Larry. I can't, says Larry. I'm going to the library. Do you want to play catch? Pete asked Callie. I was about to go for a bike ride, says Callie. Do you want to play catch? Pete asked John. I can't right now, says John. I have to paint the fence. Pete wishes his friends would do what he wants to do. It's no fun playing catch all by himself. If only I knew another me, Pete thinks. And like that, Pete has a great idea. Pete builds a robot. He programs it to be just like him. Welcome to the world, Robo Pete, Pete says to the robot. You're my new best friend. We'll do everything together. And I want to play catch, says Pete. Great idea, says Robo Pete. Pete and Robo Pete play catch. Wow, says Pete, running after the ball. You sure can throw far. Robo Pete throws farther and farther until... Whew, time out, says Pete, as he tries to catch his breath. Let's play something else. I want to play whatever you want to play, Robo Pete says proudly. How about we play hide and seek, says Pete. That will be fun, says Robo Pete. Pete finds the best hiding place ever. He's sure Robo Pete will never find him. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shouts Robo Pete. Ready or not, here I come. Gotcha, shouts Robo Pete, tagging Pete. Hey, how did you find me? Says Pete. With my homing device, says Robo Pete. I can find anyone anywhere. Okay, enough hide and seek, says Pete. Let's play some guitar. Pete teaches RoboPete how to play a song he made up. You have to feel the music, Pete explains. Okay, says RoboPete. To feel it, I need to play loud, explains RoboPete. Pete tries to stop RoboPete, but RoboPete can't hear him over the noise. This is fun, says RoboPete. This is awful, says Pete the cat. Okay, says RoboPete. Let's ride our skateboards instead. Before Pete can answer, RoboPete's feet transform into a motorized skateboard with super speedy wheels. Let's go, RoboPete shouts. Wait, calls Pete. Pete chases after RoboPete. He has no idea where RoboPete is going. RoboPete crashes into the sandbox at the playground. Are you okay? Pete asks his robot. I'm a robot. I am indestructible, says RoboPete. What is this strange place? It's a playground, says Pete. He waves to his friends. This is RoboPete, Pete says to Callie, Larry, and John. I made him myself. Cool, says Larry. We are going to help John finish painting, says Callie. And then we're going to go bike riding. I want to go on the slide, interrupts RoboPete. RoboPete, I want to help my friends paint the fence, Pete tells his robot. Paint the fence? That would be great, RoboPete says. I am programmed to paint faster than anyone. Pete and his friends try to help, but RoboPete paints too fast. So instead, they ride bikes and they read books. And after RoboPete is done painting, they help him clean the brushes. Pete realizes that it doesn't matter what they do. Just being with his friends is what makes it fun. The end. That was a great book, guys. Thanks for reading with me. Bye.